Hi, my name's Charlie. I'm a physiotherapist from the Active Therapy Clinic in Cirencester, and today we're going to go through foam rolling your thoracic spine, which is the mid portion of your back. So it starts at your T-spine, at the top of your shoulders here, at the end of your neck, and then finishes where your lumbar spine starts, so just down here. So grab yourself a foam roller. You can have a knobbly one like the one that I've got here, or you can have a smooth one, doesn't really matter which. So you're going to want to place your foam roller behind you, and you're going to want to sit in front of it. You can still see. And then you're going to want to start kind of in the middle. You want to keep your feet on the floor and your bottom on the floor. And then you want to support your head with your hands here. And then all I'm going to do from here is just extend back gently over the foam roller a few times. And just to note here that I'm not really cranking my neck back, and I'm not getting the movement from moving my pelvis and my lumbar spine, because that's not really what we're aiming for here, and that would be cheating, and you're not going to get the desired effect. So you want to engage your core when you're going back so you don't move everywhere else. The other thing to look for is that your ribs aren't flaring up. And then roll down a bit more and have a go here. So as you can probably hear, there's a bit of popping and cracking. That's absolutely fine. It's a good sign. You may want to time this with your breath. So maybe taking a big deep breath in, and then as you're going down, breathing out. Remembering to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And there we go. That was thoracic spine mobilisation with a foam roller.